how to add and switch between multiple accounts on a Facebook app. Guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you add and switch between multiple accounts on Facebook app. So let's get started on this process. Firstly, you'll have to open your Facebook app, and now from here you will be see like you have logged into your account. So to log out and add a new account from here, you'll have to tap on three line just at the top right corner of this screen. So simply tap on it, and now from here you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like logout. So it will appear at the last, so simply tap on it. Okay, tap on logout. Okay, so as you can see, I have successfully logged out the account. So now to add another account on the Facebook app, you'll have to go the options use another profile. So simply have to tap on it, and now from here usually you'll have to give your mobile number or email address and then password to log in with that account. So you have to log in with that account from here. Okay, so after you log in that account on your Facebook app, you'll have to tap on three lines just at the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, after adding that account, you'll be able to see like drop down here on your profile icon just at the top. So simply you have to tap on that arrow icon, and now from here you can easily switch between your accounts on Facebook. So you can choose with the options like login into another account, and now from here you can switch your Facebook account. So simply from here you have to choose your desired account to switch the Facebook account. So I'm choosing this one. Okay, so as you can see, I have successfully added and switched between multiple accounts on my Facebook app. So this is the easiest and simplest method to perform that. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.